Good morning. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've vlogged that it feels like old times, honestly. I'm just quickly getting ready because I have class at 8:20 today. But today is actually my birthday and I'm gonna head to Belgium right after class. And since I haven't vlogged for so long, I was like, I think this is the perfect opportunity. And then I already received my birthday gifts from my mom, so I want to open those quickly before I leave. So I'll quickly finish doing my makeup. Okay, I'm back. I'm just about ready. I have to leave in 30 minutes. So my mom bought me 3 books. I have the ebook versions of these. They've been out of print for a long time, so I actually messaged the author and she put them back up for me, which is really sweet. I read these books like winter of 2017, 2018. Here's the first one. These are like young adult fantasy, isekai, yeah. Very inspired by JRPGs. So of course I love them. I think this one's my favorite because it's purple. Very pretty. Also, just a side note, because I contacted the author and she was so happy that someone was still interested in her books, she also sent me some bookmarks she had left over. So I do also have signed matching bookmarks for the last book. And then also this one. They're so pretty. Yeah. Because this is a book series I've reread so many times over the past few years, I'm very happy to have physical copies of them because it's just a much nicer reading experience, I think. Anyway, I'm a bit in a rush because I need to finish packing, but I will see you again this evening or afternoon. I don't know. I was gonna straighten my hair today, but I think it looks okay. So I'm not gonna bother. I did not have a true birthday cake last year, so it might be a little ugly, but I'm happy to have a cake. Our first stop today is the Kringwinkel. Did I say that wrong?
So Dutch. Kringwinkel.
Which is just like a large secondhand store. We're gonna see if we can find anything cool or not.
There's crimson trees.
Oh, we can get a Christmas tree.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
In my hand, I think.
1 year warranty.
Protect.
I don't know who's buying a set of 4 lockers. We didn't find anything. It was kind of lame, honestly. But that's kind of how it goes when you go thrifting. Sometimes you find stuff, sometimes you don't. We are now on our way to a cat cafe. True.
It's the apple guy.
And?
Hitmon top. I wonder if that one's weird, like the little one.
Yeah. Do you want my ditto?
She's gonna play.
Whoa. That's not how you spell my name.
Oh. Did I spell it wrong?
It's cute.
Here you go.
It's your present. It's capybaras.
How do you not look at the paper?
I think, is it a graded Pokemon card?
I don't know.
It feels like one. I don't know. It is! It's so cute!
And it's a 10, like I said on the...
Oh, it's a 10 out of 10. It's Japanese. I don't have any Japanese cards.
I know.
Japanese card. Yay. It's gonna look really goofy with the lighting. It's my first graded Pokemon card and my first Japanese one.
And it's a 10. I hope it will.
I like how I guessed what it was.
Yes, I'm like, look at, I'm not wearing like.
I'm smiling very much. I don't look very happy.
Yeah. Oh.
It's gonna look so funny. How big do you want? I hope this is not the hard. Oh. Every year he takes a mistake photo.
I don't.
Even last year. Yeah, it's like randomly like my room.
Oh, not like that.
Not like this. But this year we've upgraded to boomer selfie. We took a cute picture. I think it's like it's a tradition at this point that we get. Well, for me.
For you.
Because you don't like your birthday, so. Cute. And when we were out today, we got a cool Ditto. I think it's base set Ditto for €1, but it's worth like $4, so nice.
Well, you mentioned that it's like from a...
Oh yeah, there's like, well, it's like a retro game store, and they have Pokemon cards, and they had like a little vending machine, and it was like €1. I also got this cool Chinese 151 Ninetales. We also got Lame, Hip on Top, and Applin from the little gacha thing and Chimecho. And then we got 2 packs of the Chinese 151, and these are the cards that I'm keeping because I only want the cute ones. Tangela, Horsey, and this one's my favorite version. I like the art on the back. And of course, my Gem 10 Japanese Sylveon from Evolving Skies. Yay! That will be it for this vlog. Not super exciting, but that's okay. I am 1 year older and 1 more year on YouTube. I think I posted my first video in November of 2019. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking around for like 6 years. Was it 6 years? Yeah. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I've aged. I'm old. I'm not sure when the next long form video will be, but I'm trying to post shorts, so look out for those. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.